Hey guys, it's Joe B, and I'm here with my friend Ginger, and he's about to tell you that we had an awesome success today with flex tape. Again, flex tape. So previously we had used it on the pole, but this time, look at this. We removed some drip irrigation lines from the sprinkler here. We took about 3 out. We wanted to leave some because we had removed some of these flowers. We're gonna put a couple more in, but there was way too many. So this line that was coming out of the ground, it goes all the way back. What are we gonna do, dig it up? We're not gonna dig it up. Instead, I remembered that I had flex tape from when I fixed the pool, and me and my buddy here, we removed the 3 lines, so we've got 1, 2, 3 left. We removed 3, and we put flex tape there. Look, 1, 2, the third one is hiding down here, right here. See it, little buddy? Are there any drips? Guys, the flex tape is amazing. As you can see, the drips are happening. We're getting water where we want it. See that? But we're not getting water where we don't want it. This tape is amazing, guys. This is Joe B, here with my son's little friend Ginger. Very excited about flex tape. I'm gonna find out where else I can use this stuff. But hashtag flex tape. You guys are amazing. You got a great product here. Thanks a lot. It's been a great value. All right, see you next time.